Hey everyone, what I'm doing here is I have decided to do all of my kind of like shop updates and news and a little bit of like behind the scenes of stuff I'm working on to share weekly on YouTube. So that's what I'm gonna be doing here. I'm gonna be kind of going, you know, showing you what I'm working on, the process, talking about my events coming up. I have a lot of stuff going on in the next couple months, and I thought this would be the best way to kind of talk about it and share it, just because, why not? So in this video, I am talking about my printer. I had to do some printer maintenance, there it is. Printing some stickers and just kind of like random stuff. So if there's other things you wanna see, if there's stuff you are interested in seeing more of, let me know. This is just gonna be kind of very like rough vlog style stuff, you know, throughout my weeks. We just changed the discharge ink pad from the printer. It was completely full of ink. It was crazy. Honestly, it looked like a giant maxi pad. It was crazy. But yeah, the new one is in now, so I can get back to printing. I had to stop printing because I didn't want it to overflow and have an issue. So I have tons of stuff I want to print, and now I can do some of my test prints. So how I make my stickers is basically I design everything on Illustrator. I've been using Illustrator forever, so it's just what I'm comfortable with and what I like to use. And then I do my test prints. So I have to test print everything to make sure that the colors look good. I also do my test cuts to make sure that the stickers are lined up, they removed from the sheet properly. But the main test is usually the colors, because the colors that I'm using on my monitor don't always match up with how they translate to the printer. So once I do my test prints, I kind of look over the colors, make sure everything looks okay, things aren't too bright, too dark. My printer tends to print very dark and on the brighter side. So what I like to do is check the colors and then match them up with the color swatches. So I have printed out a bunch of the roll-in color swatches. So if I want an exact color, I refer to it on my swatches. So I know, okay, replace this color with the swatch color and it'll print out that exact color. So I do a lot of that. It's going back in, changing the colors. It's super easy. It's just putting in the, you know, like the hex codes and the color code. But I gotta do that because I wanna make sure everything looks as good as it possibly can. So here is the finished product. So the idea is you get these little stickers that are little journals, like open notebooks, You get 3 of them, and then there's some words, and then you can put some little sentences together and decorate it with stickers. So this is the pack. I really like how they came out. I think they're really cute and fun. Also add your own stickers and make, you know, your own little scene. This is just a little starter pack. So I am excited for those. I'm actually going to be debuting them this weekend at a junk journaling event I'll be doing in Long Beach, or I will be a part of. I'm not throwing it. There it is, that was our video. Thank you for watching. Let me know what you think. If there's anything you want to see me cover in future videos, like if you want to see more printer content, if you want to see more behind the scenes, daily life, I don't know, whatever, let me know. But in the meantime, you can check out my website, wackymailpop.com. It's just a bunch of fun, colorful stickers and stationery stuff I like, so check it out. I will be making these videos weekly, well, once a week. So look out for the next one. We're already working on it. Until then,